Easy Peasy Playtime.
Hello everyone, I'm your friend Monica and today we are going to make an octopus. So first we'll make the head of the octopus and then the legs of the octopus. See how cute the octopus looks like. Oh my god, the octopus is looking at us. Now we will add the suckers at the legs of the octopus. The dots are the suckers and suckers create a powerful suction force allowing the octopus to grip and hold onto objects, prey or even escape from predators. Also, it helps them in crawling and climbing, also in sensing and tasting. Now, we will broaden the boundary line of the octopus. The octopus is continuously staring at us. Do it neatly. So now, after broadening up everything, we will go and color the octopus. Here's the purple color. We'll color the octopus with the purple color. Oh my god, how cute it looks! The octopus is smiling. Don't take color outside the boundary line. Color it neatly and cleanly. The octopus is staring at us. Do you know octopus are highly intelligent creatures known for their problem-solving skills, memory, and learning abilities? Moreover, octopus have 8 flexible arms covered with suckers, which they use for crawling, swimming, sensing, and even tasting their environment. One more fact about octopus is that their blood is blue colored. Octopus have excellent eyesight and can detect polarized light, which helps them navigate underwater. This octopus looks very friendly. Coloring the entire octopus. Color it nicely. Our octopus is very happy. Do it precisely. Fill all the gaps. Color the suckers of the octopus with the pink color. Yay! Our octopus looks very friendly. Using the yellow color to color its eyes. Looks cute with closed eyes. Yay! He opened! Let's make him smile! Ta-da! The octopus looks very nice. Share and subscribe for more.